Okay, hi guys. I would like to help someone who had the same problem as I have. So this is AC outdoor unit that basically you can find in any American homes. And the problem with this unit that every year you have to clean the dirt. Look at this. So it's only after 1 year. This house was purchased last April, and I'm sure that previous owners cleaned this house. But the problem is that there are a lot of dust, and what does it mean for you and for your electricity bill? That basically you will be paying more because this unit literally cannot breathe when there are so many dust. So you can pay $100-200, ask someone to come and help you with it, but I'm sure you can do it. You can do it by yourself, as I do. So what you need a screwdriver, you need a kind of head like this. Okay, so first of all you have to unscrew every protective shield. I don't know how. So look at this dirt, look at this dust, a lot of shit. So and one very important notice, you must turn off electricity before any operations. So there could be a kind of breaker, or there could be a turn off button. In my case it's a turn off button, so I can just turn off one unit and another unit. Be very careful. You deal with electricity and it could be really dangerous. So we are unscrewing every metal sheet we have, and after that we will be cleaning it. And what do you need to clean AC unit? There are two options. The first option, just kind of chemicals. I will show you how does it work. But if you don't want to spend more money, you can just use a regular water hose. So excuse me for my English, I'm not a native speaker. So and it will do the same job basically that you can do with a coil cleaner. Yeah, it's a little bit, maybe a little bit sophisticated. It's do the same job. You can just spray it on this part of AC unit and it will be clean as well. But anyway, first of all you have to take off all this dirt because it's really dusty and dirt. Okay, so I'm unscrewing my AC unit, and the last how dirt is it? Look at this, unbelievable. Okay, now we are ready for cleaning. So look at this. It means that your AC unit cannot breathe. It means that your electricity bills will be higher and higher, and it could be damaged in some way. So be really careful with it. And you have to open this unit and look inside. If you have a lot of debris, you have to clean it. Sometimes you can find a lot of debris, a lot of I don't know, bushes, some maybe toys, whatever. So I highly recommend just to take it off and to have your AC unit clean. So that's what I will be doing right now. And right now I will take my water hose and we'll be cleaning. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what you can do now, you can use a coil cleaner. It says that it cleans air conditioner, heat pump, coils, and some other stuff like this. So what you should do, you have to shake it a little bit, and now you can put a lot of these chemicals. Look at this.
Можно мне тоже сделать одну?
Look at this. So I think I have to shake it a little bit. So it helps to clean deeply inside, like this. So, but you know, if you don't want to spend money on this, I just bought it to check how does it work. So So now you can clean it with a water hose and your job is done. So it will be clean, it will be efficient, and you can save a lot of money. So this is result of my work. I cleaned two AC units, and how to assemble it back in the most efficient way. First of all, put these cages all around and take anything you have, for example, do out any other equipment, and what I highly recommend to ask your spouse or your kids to help you, because it's really difficult to put one cage on another if you don't have a helper close to you. So I asked my daughter, she's helping me right now. And what do you need? You need to fix one unit, one part of this cage, and put it another. You see this, there is a hole, so you have to do like this. But the problem is that if you have two arms, you will not be able to screw simultaneously and to fix it. So I recommend to ask someone to help with it. And you see how clean is it, so I'm sure we will save a lot of money in our electricity bill. So that's it, it's pretty simple. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day and bless you guys.